Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you some amazing tricks and tips for your MacBook Pro M2. These tips and tricks will help you optimize your Mac performance and unlock some hidden features that you might not have known about. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to enjoy more such content. So, let's get started. Check battery health. The first trick is checking your MacBook Pro M2's battery health. Over time, the battery capacity decreases, and it's essential to know how much of the battery's original capacity is still available. To check your battery health, go to the Apple menu, select About this Mac, and click on the System Report. From there, click on Power in the Hardware section, and you'll see the cycle count and battery health information. Turn on Dark Mode. The second trick is to turn on Dark Mode. This mode makes your screen look darker, reducing eye strain and making it easier to use your MacBook Pro in low light conditions. To turn on dark mode, go to the Apple menu, select System Preferences, and click on General. From there, select Dark in the Appearance section. Use Siri. The third trick is to use Siri, the virtual assistant built into your MacBook Pro M2. Siri can perform a variety of tasks, such as setting reminders, sending messages, and finding information. To use Siri, simply click the Siri icon in the top right corner of your screen or press the Siri button on your keyboard. Use Split View. The fourth trick is to use Split View. This feature allows you to have two windows open side by side on your screen, making it easier to multitask. To use Split View, click and hold the green full screen button in the top left corner of a window. Then, select Tile Window to left of screen or Tile Window to right of screen. Use AirDrop. The fifth trick is to use AirDrop. This feature allows you to easily transfer files between your MacBook Pro M2 and other Apple devices. To use AirDrop, open a Finder window, click on AirDrop in the sidebar, and then drag and drop the file you want to transfer. Use Time Machine. The sixth trick is to use Time Machine. Time Machine is a backup feature that automatically backs up your entire MacBook Pro M2 to an external hard drive. To set up Time Machine, connect an external hard drive to your MacBook Pro and go to the Apple menu, select System Preferences, and click on Time Machine. From there, you can select the external hard drive as your backup disk. Use Spotlight. To use Spotlight on a MacBook Pro with the M2 chip, follow these steps. Click the magnifying glass icon in the top right corner of your screen or press Command plus space. Type in your query or search term. Results will appear in real time, including files, emails, documents, applications, and other information stored on your MacBook Pro. You can also use Spotlight to launch applications, perform calculations, and access other types of information. To do so, simply type in your query or request and select the result you want to open. Use keyboard shortcuts. MacBook Pros come with a variety of keyboard shortcuts that can save you time and make you more productive. It's hard to choose the best aspects of the MacBook Pro 2023 edition because I'm so impressed with it. The bass-heavy speakers, the perfect construction, and the award-winning keyboard remain unchanged from the previous versions and have not become outdated in the last 2 years. Also keep in mind that Apple makes a lot of Macs with M2 chips. There's the regular M2, which you can get in a MacBook Air or MacBook Pro, but be careful of calling that the M2 Pro for short because there's also a processor called the M2 Pro, which you can also get in a MacBook, but you can also get that MacBook Pro with this other chip called the M2 Max. If you're confused, you're not alone. There are many different chips and many different Mac computers currently up for grabs. And that's it, folks. I hope you found these tricks and tips helpful. If you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to see on this channel, please let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your MacBook Pro M2. Thanks for watching.